Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm showing y'all how I lift a dark natural brown wig to a light chocolate brown. I'm not going for a ginger color. I really just want it to be a light brown. So what I'm doing, I'm just going ahead and doing a bleach bath. So what you see me doing now is mixing up just a regular bowl of lightener. I have some bleach, like maybe a couple of scoops, two and a half to three scoops of bleach, and I literally just poured some developer in there, and I'm just mixing till I get a pancake batter consistency. No particular measurements. This bin I'm using is called a collapsible sink bin that I got from Amazon. I'm just filling this up about a third of the way with some very hot water, and I'm adding the mixture of lightener to it. Here I am with the second bowl, and I'm going back in with a third bowl, not quite a full bowl, but I had a little bit of developer left that I just needed to get rid of. So I went ahead and made a half size bowl to pour into this mixture. Once you get everything mixed up, you just want to make sure you mix everything very well into the water. Also, definitely make sure that the water is piping hot. I'm using an instrument to stir the water with because it is so hot. And I'm gonna go in, I'm gonna scrape all that little excess in there. No point in wasting it. And then I'm gonna take the wig, and what you wanna do is you wanna dunk it around a little bit. The key to getting an even lift is to make sure that the mixture gets all over the wig. If you just take the wig and dump it in there, the water and the mixture is not gonna get all up and through the inside of the wig. So you kind of have to make sure that you move it around a few different ways. Make sure that you know that the mixture is especially on the inside of the wig. And then you literally just leave it and watch it. At this point, the wig has been sitting in the mixture for about an hour and 15 minutes. I did check it every 30 minutes just to make sure it was lifting. But what you don't want to do is rinse the product out too fast. You want to make sure that you get the color that you're looking for before you rinse it out, or you end up wasting a lot of bleach because you end up having to redo it again. I let this sit for as long as it needed to give me the color I was going for. So now what I'm doing, I'm going in and rinsing all that bleach out and getting ready to shampoo it. At this point, I'm going through with some neutralizing shampoo, adding it to some clean water to stop the chemical processing. I'm adding some to the hair directly as well, but this shampoo is harsh, and because these bundles are curly, I don't want to make them tangled up. So I'm really trying to just concentrate the shampoo in the water to make sure that the mixture disperses throughout the hair. Once I made sure that the neutralizing shampoo has gotten through the entire wig, I'm just going to go ahead and rinse it out and proceed to shampoo with a moisturizing shampoo and follow up with a generous amount of conditioner. After I finished shampooing and conditioning the unit, I went through, detangled with a paddle brush, refreshed the baby hairs in the front, and I'm just continuing to mold the closure down before I set it under a hooded dryer. I'm taking one of those black wrap strips and tying it around the closure to make sure that the closure doesn't move while it's under the dryer. To set the look, I only use some curl cream, water, and some mousse. I personally don't like a lot of products in my curly hair because I want it to get big. So I really am just minimal with the products. It doesn't matter what you use. These were just some products that I had in my stash. I set the wig under the dryer for about an hour just to make sure that the closure was dry before I left for my trip. And here are the final results. This color is exactly what I was going for. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. And if you tried this method out, definitely let me know in the comments. Okay, quick cameo. Let's get into my hair. Listen, this is loose curly from my collection. Made it into a unit and bleach bathed it, turned it, a little chocolate brown. HD lace closure, 5x5. Period. If you're interested, as always, check the links in the description box for information on how to contact me to get a unit made or to order hair, stuff like that.